BA student of ASA College, and you're locked on to a Jensen Campus Idol at Skeptron Kapamilya Channel 28, Jensen's world-class IT channel. The first entry is from New Society High School. They are all handsome and energetic, the Vance brothers. I'm sure that they will impress us, not only their look, but also their style. Let us get to know them better. Watch this video with me.
Baby, are you down, 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 down?
Hello SKC viewers! I'm very fortunate today to interview one of the entries of Jensen Campus Idols from New Society High School. Please welcome the Vance brothers. Say hi!
Hi!
Okay, so pakilala niyo yung sarili niyo, pare.
Ako nga pala si Jordan Aligaya, 16 years old. Wala si Jordan Aligaya. Hi, I'm Brian Capao, ma'am. I'm 7 years old.
Hola, I'm Joey Solis and I'm 17 years old.
Hello mga Diyos, I'm Rajet R. Blanca, 15 years of age.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm 16 years old.
I am Robert. I'm 16 years old.
Hi, I'm George Gawit. I'm 17 years old.
Hi, I'm Douglas Roca Jr. I'm 16 years old.
Okay, so Vance Brothers. So paano niyo na pangalanan ng grupo niyo na Vance Brothers?
We are called Bunch Brothers because of its meaning, which is versatile and noted students. Kasi according to the teachers of New Society National High School, karaniwang miyembro ng grupong ito ay talentado at kung sabihin na, kung sinasabi din nila ay may sikat daw sa campus. So, yun nga, nagkalakas loob kami na magtayo ng isang grupo, kaya tinawag namin itong Bunch Brothers.
So mga heartthrobs pala kayo sa school niyo?
Di naman na siya.
Okay. So ikaw ang leader ng grupo? Okay, so nice meeting you, pare.
Nice
Okay.
meeting you too.
Okay, days of preparation. So paano nyo ginawa? Ano yung mga plano nyo, pinagplanuhan nyo para gawin yung music video nyo?
Kasi bago namin ito napag-isipan na there are some teachers who help us and also the barangay, both barangay Apupong and Sinoval also help us to provide the instruments which we are needing for the music video.
Okay, so who inspires you or inspired you to make this music video?
Yung mga teachers na may tiwala sa mga talents namin.
So talentado pala talaga kayo, no? Di ba?
Tapos din kasi sinusuportahan din kami ng mga kapwa ng estudyante, kaya nagkalakas loob kami ipatuloy ito.
Okay, so ano yun na pala ngayon? Or kayo magkaklas kayo lahat?
May isang third year, tapos fourth year kami, yung isa section 2 at saka section 1.
Okay, so why did you choose to make this video? Ano pala yung video nyo? Original song?
It is a revival song,
Okay.
which is titled Jaded by Next.
Nest? Oh, okay. So why did you choose this video? This music to...
We choose this video kasi nung simula pa lang ng aming, nung nabuo pa lang yung aming barkada, kumbaga ito yung kanta na talagang palagi namin kinakanta. Tsaka kumbaga yung mga lyrics din doon ay na-fit din, or yung message doon na-fit din sa amin sa mga.
Okay, very good. So why should the voters vote for you? Vance Brothers.
Kasi hindi namin mapapatunayan ang tunay na kagandaan kung hindi nila kami pagkakatiwalaan at susuportahan. So kami, bilang Bunch Brothers, alam namin may mga talento kami na dapat namin ipakita sa inyo, kaya dapat nila kami suportahan at bigyan ng tiwala para mapakita namin ito ng maayos at mapatunayan sa kanila na hindi lamang kami puro lamang pagwapo, kundi meron din kaming talento may ipapakita sa kanila.
Galing. You're all...
Now that you get to know them better, prepare for the music video premiere of the first entry of 4th episode of Jensen Campus Idol. Please welcome the Vance Brothers for their song, Jaded.
There's a time and place
left today. Took my chances on what you said was wrong. I'm jaded, stupid and reckless, not sorry. And I never regret being just friends. So faded and reckless, not sorry. And I never regret this shit. I'll never regret this shit. Now here I sit, so far away, remembering all our memories. It's times like these that I miss you most, remembering when we were so close. I'm jaded, stupid and reckless, not sorry. And I'll never regret these years spent. So faded and reckless, not sorry. And I'll never regret these years. I'll never forget the faces between you and I. Our lives are sleeping away. Don't want to let time pass us by. I'm jaded, stupid and reckless, not sorry. And I'll never regret these years that so faded and reckless, not sorry. And I never regret, I'm jaded, stupid and reckless, not sorry. And I never regret these years that so faded and reckless, not sorry. And I never regret these years. I'll never regret these years. I'll never regret these years. I'll never regret these years.
Wow, cool. They're all good looking. If you are as impressed as I am, make the Vance brother be the first ever of Jensen Campus Idol. Vote for them by logging on aslcjensen.net now. Don't go just yet. Jensen Campus Idol will be right back.
Jensen Campus Idols is brought to you by Department of Education, Sagittarius Minds Incorporated, RD Foundation, Bayan DSL, ang bilis! Skeptron Business Solutions, making everything electronically possible. And ACLC College of Jensen, Jensen's authority in world-class IT education.